Hello, everybody. I have returned. I've been a little inactive, but I am back to make art for Bird Game. Hi, Tixmere. You're in both chats. Hello. I see Tinned Foil also showing up. Anky Boy, hi. Welcome to the stream. We're actually doing stuff today, I promise. I see Aki in the Twitch chat. Hello, hello. It's been a minute. Busy week, busy week. But now, back to Bird Game. Burb Game, indeed. Thank you for following Johnny Z. I see Jokatin, hello. Long time, yeah, it's been about a week. I don't know what to say, I just got busy. But I have a schedule now. I'm gonna try to do 4 streams this week at least, and then maybe one on Saturday, we'll see. Like, I'm hoping to do a morning stream for people in different time zones on Saturday. But we'll see. I don't want to promise anything yet, because I don't know if something will come up. But the plan for today, I'll go over it really quickly, is we are going to be fixing the particles. And the particles I am referring to are these ones. Because they look bad. So we're going to be making custom ones in Sprite and importing them into the game. Because like I tried to do like a pixel art shader and it kind of works, but not great. So I'm going to do a little custom. And then if I'll probably have time, I'm going to try to do like a mini little tile set thing. Because I want to make a platform that you can jump through from the bottom and like fall through. But I need different art for that so it's clear like what that is. You've started to try Godot. How do you like it? Like, I'm excited to try it. I haven't fully watched that Brackeys video yet. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna at some point. Maybe I'll find a game jam. I think that would be the best way to do it, I think. Okay. I'm gonna go into Sprite. It'll take me a second just to get the files sorted. Because what I want to do is I still want it to be a particle system. I'm just going to use the texture sheet animation option here. So instead of it producing like a bunch of particles, it'll be like one, and it'll be that animation. I think that's the best way to do it. And then I can, in Sprite, I can make it, make the colors white. That way I can, like, do change color over lifetime and stuff like that. There's a Godot game jam starting Friday. What the heck? Is it only for Godot? I assume it's on itch.io. I'll check it out. See, upcoming this month. Godot Wild Jam number 69. Okay. Starts in 3 days. When is that? Maybe we do that. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about Godot. I will definitely give it a try. So I haven't done too much. I just made like this like very beginning area. I will do level design soon, but not today. I think I have it scheduled for tomorrow, but basically this is just a little area that you climb out of. Yeah, in this place I haven't really done this part yet. And for the camera transitions, I know they're not perfect, but I think I'm just gonna go. Oh wait, I didn't start from the main menu, so it didn't load in. Whoopsie. Yeah, I didn't change it enough. The, like the camera transition, like I was getting a little, perfectionist again. Because if you stand just as the camera pans, you'll be off screen for like a little bit, but I think it looks fine as long as you just run through it. I'm not gonna be too picky about it. Yeah, so this will load in as transition, but if you like stand still, you'll be off screen for a little bit, but I don't really care. Like, I tried a couple solutions, but it just looked bad. Coding's hard and Godot, interesting. Hello, Narrow FG. It's going good. Coming off of being inactive a little bit, trying to jump back into Bird Game, trying to get some progress done. Today we're going to be doing some animations for the particles, because that's something I wanted to do for my last video. Any time since I last saw you? Not much. I did some like asynchronous level loading stuff. So if I zoom out, that's already loaded. I need to reset it. But I think I talked about this last stream. I just made like a little bit of a place. Not much of a level. Yeah, this will load as long once you get closer to the thing. Let me just speed this up real quick. No. Okay. And then once you cross the boundary, it'll load. Tomorrow we're going to be making levels. Sadly, it doesn't work with LibraSprite. So yeah, that's like, there are probably other tutorials. I've seen LibraSprite themes, so I know they're out there. I guess the method is probably a little different than Asprite. But I'm sure it, like, there's a solution there. Does the game have a story yet? Yes and no. I have a story in mind. I don't, like, I feel weird, like, talking about it, because I want it to be a little bit of a surprise. I'll probably talk about it a little bit more once the demo comes out and I release the name, because I think the name needs a little context. It you know, it might need to be changed, but the game does have a story, but it's not available yet. Okay. I've done a little bit of yapping. I'm just going to jump into Asprite, and what I'm going to start with is I'm just going to add a couple sprites, and I'm going to just make it so I can save it right in, so we can see it in Unity as I iterate. Just make these look a little different. Will I stream the level making tomorrow? Yes. Let me double check my schedule. The schedule is in the upload notification channel in the Discord. Yeah, so I'll do level design tomorrow. I'll be off Wednesday. Thursday, I'm just gonna play some games. Probably not Bird Game, but like if I really want to do something on Bird Game, I might. And Friday, we'll finish off that first boss. So yeah, level is going to be tomorrow. Okay. So let me first save it. I'll save it as vertical animations. Saved. Now let me export sprite sheet. I don't know if this will show anything, so I will just we'll go loading for a second while I export this real quick. Should add dark trees and call it the Darklands. Interesting idea. There will be dark areas. Maybe I can call those the Darklands, we'll see. So right now I'm just, I'm getting my files into Unity, and then that way I can just like hit save, hit the export button, and then we can just see it happen live, and, like in the game. So I will put this. Sometimes I forget where my files are. I gotta I gotta organize my stuff. Okay, I found it. For projects. Bird game. Assets, art. Player animations. And then I'll do a new folder. Particles. And we'll start with attack 1. Attack 1. Sprite sheet. Export. Okay. Now let me go into Unity. Player. Particles. Attack 1. 32. Multiple. Point no filter. None. Apply. Sprite editor. Slice. Cell size 32. Okay. So I think how this works, and I could be wrong, I only read the documentation, I haven't seen anyone do this yet. But start by getting rid of these. Actually, I think the flash the one I want to start with. That's not what I want to do. Yeah, I think the flash is the one I want to start with. Yeah, so this will just be like the orange thing popping up. Thank you for following underlying Noxy. I don't know if that's how you'd say your name, but I tried my best. Okay, let's see. So if I want to add the sprites to here, and that's not going to be the material, I'm probably going to have to go back to default material, actually. Sprites default. Yeah, and then I'll go to texture sheet animation. The sprites. And where are my sprites? Where'd I put them? In player, right here. Sprite. This one. 2 more. Okay, that actually works. Yeah, so you can see him changing. How do I change the frame rate? I guess it's with this curve. That would just might take a minute to iron out, but I'm not gonna mess with that until I have more frames. It'll be similar to this. Then I'll make it white. Can I change the opacity like this? Yeah. So I think this is probably the way to do it. So I'll make it white in Sprite, and then I can change the color to like red. Oh wait, size over lifetime is gonna change it. So it can't be size over lifetime. Got a color that's easier to see. Just go green. Let me lower the emission. Count 1. Okay. And then start size 0.5 maybe. No, it can't be that. If I change the size of the pixels will be weird. Okay, is that the right? Why is it changing as I zoom in? Is it? Yeah, it's simulated to world. And then pixels seem to be lining up. Yeah. So I think this is how we do it. And then I will just change the count. And then we'll have multiple of them, and if they're a little transparent, they can overlap and be like that. So they'll probably be red though. I know I already tried this and it was hard to see, but okay. I don't know. You know, I think I'm just gonna do it in color in a spray. I think I'm just gonna have trouble with making it the colors that I want. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, at least I kind of know how this works now. I'll go back to A-Sprite and we'll just start blocking out the actual animation. Just delete these. So colors, we're gonna start with the flash one. So this will just be like starting from nothing, grow into like a big red spot, and then shrink back down. So yeah, actually let me get a reference to the player. Let me just open this file real quick. Copy the bird. Paste them in. Okay. Then I'll add 32 to the right. Put him over here. Actually, I want to add 32. We'll just keep him right here in the middle. We'll lock him and we'll call him player. Alright. Okay, I can control the opacity in Unity. I think that will be fine. Is there a way to change the opacity of a layer? Yes. Actually, that's perfect. That's exactly what I need. So do I want it to be... I probably want it darker than the player so it stands out a little more. I don't know. How do I make it go boom? I'm just trying to picture it in my head. I guess it doesn't really matter because I can always make changes later. So I'll just, oh, no, I want an Alt N, not Shift N. And I'll just make it bigger. And we'll just see what this looks like. Let me change the opacity now. Like, that's good. Maybe 50% because some of them might overlap. And 70, I think. And make it bigger. Okay. Anky boy, you got a new mouse. That's cool. I like having a good mouse. Going back to a laptop with a trackpad is not fun. You're looking for new ideas for a character. Well, what's the context? I'm sure someone can help. Maybe I have an idea or two. Is it like a player character? Are you looking for a new enemy? What kind of thing are you looking for? This feels too big already. Why did it get so big? Platformer player. Okay. What kind of platform is it gonna be? Is it gonna be like any special mechanics? Because the reason I chose a bird is because I liked the feeling of like flying around and stuff, and that's how I came up with this character. I think it's generally pretty good to have like the player have some similarity to like the core mechanics. Like if you look at Hollow Knight, like I'll be referencing Hollow Knight all the freaking time. But how the shade works, the spells, that's all like tied into the character. The ideas for the abilities probably came first, if I had to guess. Could be wrong, but I'd look at mechanics first. That's where I'd start. First, you need elements like fire and water to have different mechanics with each one. Okay. So kind of like an elemental type thing. Could make a little wizard guy. Like if their abilities like attacks and stuff, you know, what kind of things would kind of wield that? How to make a good environment. I don't know how to make a good environment either. Have you seen my stuff? This is what I'm working with right now. Not very good. I can't help with that, unfortunately. I think I have a decent character, but I'm realizing now I should probably start with the yellow if I'm doing it in color. Let me get rid of the player for a second. Yellow, go to darker orange. Then I can go with red. And then maybe as it gets a little smaller, it goes to super dark. And then it will be pretty much gone. I don't want it to be brighter here. Maybe if this is darker, it'll feel brighter when it gets to top. Oh, so they're like multiple characters. Okay. Oh, so you... Well, I guess they would follow the element then, no? You just make like a... Well, are they right now just like exactly that, like Fire Boy and Water Girl, where you just have like, you know, a fire character, a water character, like that? I mean, you could always just go animals, like make a Pokemon. This doesn't feel bright enough. I need more opacity. And cloud for like wind. Yeah, I think try to make a Pokemon. I think that might help a little bit. Or like you look at like a water type. I mean, don't make Squirtle, but you can give like an animal elemental powers. You could make a keychain, make it a fairy type. I did something like this. With blue water bird, hey, that's a little too close to orange firebird. Oh, but actually, you could totally do that. You could make water bird. Make it like a crane or a pelican. Make Pelipper. Right now I'm trying to get the colors down, then I'll worry more about the shape. You post in the Discord? Yeah, that's a good place to put it. I'll pull it up. Okay, I'll have it open. Just let me know when you post it. Let me just get this in the game real quick. I want to see how these colors look. Go into Unity. I will change these sprites. Mark this. Sprite editor, 32 by 32. Apply. Now I have more sprites. Go to Flash. And those two are already there. Plus, 3, 4, play. Why are they so big? Why are they so big? Do I still have size over lifetime? No. I don't know. Oh, it's updating. That's rough. Okay, but why? Why did these suddenly get so big? I mean, I could just manually turn it down. 5. The right pixel size. Oh, is it because I zoomed in? Does it go by the screen size? That would be weird. I do think the opacity is a bit much. Maybe I'd put it at like 95. Is this still? Oh, this is still low. Okay, maybe I can turn it back then. Let me put this at like... Let me put up this window. Nope. Give me this. Yeah. Like 60. Yeah. I kind of want it to linger a little bit more, so I'll add another frame or two while it's big. I don't know why it keeps changing size. Count up to 6. Boom, 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 boom. Let's just see how that works. Still a rough draft, but it's real big. Yeah, there definitely need to be more frames. Or can I just change the graph? The value 0.5. Value 0.5. What does that do? I guess we'll see. I think that frame rate was better. Looks a little better. I don't know if I like the whatchamacallit, the opacity. I'm gonna try making it full. Hit play. Hi, Roblox to blocks. They're tiny, they're 16 by 16. Yeah, the bird is about that size too. You call him, are you calling the bird tiny? Oh, it is a little bird. Tiny little bird. Maybe I should put it like behind the bird in like the layers and get rid of the opacity. Oh, are you saying they're tiny like you didn't export them? Like you didn't scale them up when they exported? Do I like games? I do like games. I haven't played Rec Room. That's the VR one, right? Discord. What channel did you put it in? I do not see it. Oh, no, I see. They are small. You're right. How do I zoom in on those? Okay, so what are you looking for, like, redesigns of those guys? Or are you looking for, like, another one with a new ability? On screen mode. Oh, okay. Is it on Steam? I know VR chat is on Steam. I don't know if all of them are. Aki says he thinks it would look good with lower opacity with stronger, more fiery front layers on top too. So like different particles, like the general thing is kind of transparent, but maybe like the burst is not. Thank you. When you mean tiles for them, I'm a little confused what you mean. Making a lava environment. But you can't get it to look good. Yeah, I'm not great with the environments either. Like, I mean, it could just be like a volcano, and you could. I think Pokemon would be a good reference because Pokemon has a lot of different areas like that, and it can just be like a lava cave, something like that. Like, look at the Team Magma hideout. That might be a good reference for the fire one. Are the characters okay? From what I can see, they look very cute. But maybe if I open it in browser, I can see more. Oh yeah, those characters are great. They're a little blurry because the size of them. I like them a lot. I can definitely see like the vision with where you're going with that. Should you change them? Like maybe, like with the bird, I might end up changing small parts of the bird, but I think in general, like with the scope of the game, you probably don't change them. Am I the owner of this game? Yeah, I made this. I've been making devlogs for a couple months where, you know, I just work on this. Is a bird game. The name is to be announced. You play as a bird, and you attack with the bird. Yes. But yeah, I would try not to change your player characters too much unless that's to serve like a game design thing. You posted a bad mock-up in art. Well, I wouldn't call it bad. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, so yeah, different particles. So the general background can be transparent and then brighter ones on the inside. So maybe I just do multiple layers here. And for this one, I see what you mean. Put it at like 70, and then here. Maybe we'll wait for it to get big, and then we'll do like this. Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. For its bright sheets. Go to the top. When's the new game plus? I don't know. I gotta do the demo first. What was that? Why did that look? Was it because there were too many? Let me just make this layer like the color I can see. Or I'll make it yellow. I think I also need to adjust the timing. I don't know why the only option is with a curve. Wait, time mode. Wait a minute. Frames per second. For like 12. That's actually, yeah. I forgot to look for time mode. Oh, so the problem here is they're not going fast enough. That's why I couldn't see it. Let's go back to 30. I like this. I think this is a good idea. Okay, I need to adjust the frame rate, but I think that was a good idea with the multiple different things. I can control it from a script. That's an option for sure. I think this frame rate thing is probably gonna be the easiest thing though. I think maybe adding more frames could help too. There's another one you made in the Discord. I'll check. That's a human. That's nice. Yeah, with the pixel art, you definitely gotta go big head. I get that's going. What happens if you make a 1000 FPS game? Like the animations, like you can do 1000 frames per second, it just might not look great. Unless you hand draw all the frames, or if it's like 3D animation and you lerp it. Needs lighting. Yeah, lighting is on my list. I think it's going to be one of the last things I do, though, because I don't want to mess with the look of the game too much. I don't want to bake any lights and then have to redo them as I change the level. It's on the list, though. I promise. So let me go back to Sprite. Let me maybe make this last a little longer, and then I'll export it. And then I can clean it up. This is my first time doing the custom animated sprites for the particles, I mean. 2D needs big light. So I don't know. I haven't done lightings before. But I imagine it's pretty similar. And at that point, I'll be better able to determine what's good for performance, like after the level is built and stuff. Maybe you don't. I don't freaking know. I don't know how to do this stuff. I'm just clicking buttons. Let me re-import this. Automatic. Cell size 32 by 32. Apply. Go back here. Block it. Add 2 more. And then where's FPS? 24. Maybe I increase duration. Why did it stay that for so long? It doesn't even finish. Let me put it back to 1 just so I can see it better. It disappears. What's causing that? I got rid of size over lifetime. Probability. Let me check. If I go back to 30, does it show up? It does. It's the lifetime of the particle. Why is it so small? This is too slow, but 24 maybe? That has too much time. So it's the animation is looping. I don't know if I can stop the looping. I think I just have to time it right. That looked okay. Go back to the 6 count. I think maybe I get rid of one of those startup frames. That way it'll like pop a little faster. Let's see what it looks like. And I'm definitely gonna change that yellow to like more of a red. That's not bad actually. Let me zoom out a little bit. I don't hate that. Let me turn on my cheats real quick. Let me unlock it. You can't take damage, that way I can just spam the super move. Hello, Figaro. Right now we're just working on the particles because they're bad. So why is my cheat not working? There we go. Was I in play mode? I think I was in play mode when I hit it. That's why. The blend mode of the particle to additive in the material settings. What would that do? So right now I'm using the default material. I don't know if I can edit that. I'd have to make another custom one. You have little to no coding experience and you're looking for a place to get started. Well, when I started, I didn't really have any coding experience at all. My first game was a very long time ago. I made it in Scratch, which is like a visual programming thing. It's made by MIT. It's meant to like teach coding stuff. There are a lot of visual programming things. I think Unreal especially has blueprints. It'll take a couple of tutorials and like getting used to, but visual scripting can help a lot. In Unity, the shader graph is visual scripting. So if you want to do Unity, there's a package or something. But yeah, look into visual scripting. That would be my recommendation for people who aren't great at coding. But you'll catch on real quick, I promise. Okay, so I think this general look is not bad. How do I feel about the timing, though? Why did my cheat go back off? Gosh darn it. No, I'm just getting used to it. I feel like it lingers like a frame too long. Is that just me? Put an ace sprite and... Wait, are these 2 frames even getting in there? Frame 4 and 5. They're in here, right? Yeah. Maybe it's a problem with the animation. Yeah, that affected the timing. So I gotta do like maybe 2.5. Yeah, I think that's good advice too, Anki. But if the goal is to make a game, I would definitely recommend visual scripting. I mean, even freaking Hollow Knight is visual scripting. They used an asset that did that. A visual scripting asset. And they made all of Hollow Knight, so you definitely don't need to know how to code. At least to start. I think that's better. With Python, no game engines. I made Pong. I guess that. Well, I started in Scratch, but once I learned Python, I made Pong. That's good too. That's how gonna be my first game in Godot for sure. I'm just gonna make like, or maybe I'll make like Brick Breaker or something, like just old like Atari game. I think this is pretty good. Just the general timing and look. So you know the basics of Python? I think you'll be surprised by how quickly it comes to you. Especially if you have some coding experience. YouTube has an atrociously low character limit. Okay, I see you. What am I looking for? Open material settings. I see material here. Oh, right here. Yeah, so this is probably... I think I'd have to make another custom material. Oh, you can't... Okay, yeah, Ace Bright window is up. Sorry. Yep. Yeah, so this... I'd have to make it not the default material, I think. Unless, what does this do? It doesn't do anything. Okay. More than one built-in material. Okay, I'll check. You know what it's called? I mean, there are all of these. Maybe base. Doesn't let me edit it. Standard on that. I don't think this is the one you're talking about. Like, let me add my custom one. I don't know, I'm a little confused. Sorry, I'm probably just missing what you're saying. Or maybe I just don't have the right default particle. Okay, I'll just go back to standard. It was like default. Okay. Default particle. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't let me edit it. Did that change anything? Yeah, I don't want that. Because it's a circle, I need it square. Because it's a sprite. Yeah. I'll definitely get into Godot soon. I like, there is the game jam this week. I will consider. But it like, I don't want to pull my focus too far away from Bird Game. Like, I actually do want to finish this. Contrary to how long it's been taking me. Let me do a sprite window. Alright, let me make this red. Like, maybe I'll have like the very middle be orange. Let's see how this looks. Right now I'm just testing the colors to see what I like. I will make it look pretty later. It's like my catchphrase. Just make it now, make it pretty later. What is this? Oh, no errors, it's great. I just clicked this button and the error went away. So it's not real. It's not bad. Do not hate. Maybe I want less. Count to 4 maybe? What am I looking for? I was thinking in my brain I was looking for something, but then I forgot what I was looking for. I don't like the red in the middle. Yeah, Game Maker has a monthly subscription. I think they might have like either like a trial or an educational version. I don't think the engine really matters too much. I think all of them have tools, especially if you're kind of familiar with coding. I say just make an Atari game first. You're try learning Unity. That's what I did. I think it worked out decently well. I mean, I was able to make this. Yeah, make Pong. Make the Brick Breaker game. And see what you can do. Okay. So I think the hardest animation is going to be the freaking tornado. The tornado was like the whole reason why I wanted to use particles in the first place. Because I don't know how to animate that. That's crazy. Especially if I'm like confined to a pixel grid. So maybe I just don't make them change size over lifetime. And I make the individual sprite and I just keep the particle system, how it goes around and stuff. So additive would play the particles on top, making them glower, more fire magic. Can I use post-processing for that too? Like, what, should I just add some bloom and get a similar effect? Or I guess it could be less performant. I don't really know how that works. Let me look at the documentation. I'll Google it and see if I can find anything. Okay, let's see. Again, that's not working. Alright, this is zoomed in for PokeRogue, so it's not perfect. This one adds the background and final particle color together. The glow effects. Yeah. I think I'll just have to make a new shader. I'll just make it like a white square. It won't let me edit the default ones. Just a new material, not a shader? Yeah, okay, I can do that. And this will just be just particle map. Why do I not see the option? Do I have to put it on first? Particle map. It was there? Oh, okay. Let me pull up the doc again. I don't know why I'm missing it. Was it when I was making it? Top right, pick the shader. Yes, I do. Oh, okay, I see. So okay, I understand. So what I was looking at is this. This is probably an older doc. I was looking for this. Yeah, that wasn't there, so it looks different now. Probably a Unity version thing. Now it looks like this. That's a mobile shader. I mean, I see it. It does mess with the palette a little bit. It's a good suggestion, but I don't know if I like it. Because it doesn't just change, like, the lighting part, like the brightness part. It changes, like, the color of it, too. It needs to be adjusted. Okay. Well, I'll look into it. I'll keep this material on standby, and I'll look up, like, I'll try to find, like, a tutorial or something. But that way I'm just not fumbling around this whole time. Go back to particle default. No. Sprite default. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think I'll start, like, actually refining the animation now. Yeah, this error is kind of bothering me because I didn't actually make an animation for attack 1 flame attack because it's just like a jump. So the player doesn't have a sprite change, so I might have to take out that line. It's kind of annoying me. But you know, now that it's gone, I see what you mean. It'll take some messing around, but I think that material is a good idea. Yeah, messing with lighting. That's yeah. I don't really want to mess with lighting too much. Because, like, at the very least, I can just be like, okay, it is just a pixel art game. It doesn't need to have all this fancy lighting. But I feel like if I mess up on the lighting, it'll be a whole nother pixel perfect situation where I'm just trying to make it perfect when the problem was with my plan, not and like the engine. Won't allow dynamic shadows, so it depends on what it's gonna look like. Okay. I'll keep it in mind. I don't hate it. Okay. Alright, yeah, so let's start refining the actual animation. How far in the playlist are we, actually? Oh, this is the second to last song in the playlist, so I need to restart it soon. But not before Wario City. What am I doing? I'm going to a sprite. Okay, first of all, let's get this centered. And like 5 pixels. Should I just have this be the center? Oh, Mario City time. Be an odd number. And there's an outline thing, right? Yeah. Can I do it multiple at once? I'll just hit the button multiple times. Shift O. That is the cheat code for sure. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, what happened to the first one? Does that happen to all the frames? Oh, that's annoying. Is there a way to stop it from doing that? Okay, you know what? I'll just do this twice. I will copy it and then undo it. Get rid of this layer for now. Actually, this one can go Shift O inside. Why did they do that for the whole layer? That makes me so sad. Okay. This song is so underrated. Is that even the right color? Where did I get that color from? What the heck? I don't know where that color came from. I don't see a change. Is it because the opacity is low? Or is it only when it exports? It only works if it's above another thing. Okay. So if I were to do it for this one, mode edition. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I kind of understand how it works now. Okay. Ooh. I have so many options. Maybe lighten? I like lighten. Oh, I see. It's so much more helpful in the Sprite because I can iterate faster. I have so many buttons to press. Whoa. Soft light, hard light, difference. Whoa. Oh, I gotta restart the music. Back to Mario Stadium. Exclusion. This looks cool. This is not good for what I'm trying to do, but this does look cool. Subtract, divide. Whoa! That is very cool. So what happened? Yeah, maybe I just make it all dark red then. What color is that? It's because this is orange that's looking weird. So if I just make this all red... Oh, that wrong layer. Oopsie. Where did that color come from? It's not the color I wanted. This was it. Okay, so this is the background is all red. Why can I still see it? There we go. And then on this layer, it's addition, and I do the same red. Maybe I do the dark red. No, I do the orange. Oh, I like it. Okay. So I'll go... That's not what I wanted. So this one will be all the same. Okay. I'm starting to understand. It's not a lot. Yeah, I like where this is going. Let me get the outline shapes done first. This was dark red. No, it's regular red. Alright. Looks like 32. Get a regular red. Boink. That's too big. Give me 24. Give me 20. Yeah. That fits. And my problem is it just collapses. Not really what I want. But then we go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you don't even need to be good at art to make this stuff. How do you change your game to fit 8x8 tiles? Are you talking about the grid? Let me save this real quick. So what I did was kind of weird because my original size was different, like the pixel size. So if I go to the tile map, the grid, where's my pixels per unit? Why can't I see it? Why can't I find it? Okay, well, when you import it, you can change the pixels per unit, and it'll just depend on the grid size. You just change the grid size, basically. Did I fix the bird? So in that video, you're talking about like how it got like a haircut, right? The whatchamacallit? Upscale render texture, and how like the character's hair gets cut off sometimes with some of the animations. So the answer is no, I didn't fix it. I just chose to ignore it and not make the game pixel perfect because I didn't like some of the other effects of that. Like, that's something I could definitely fix, but I just won't use that setting and I won't have to worry about it. That was basically my solution. Yeah, now his head is fine. So what I'm doing right now is I'm doing the I'm redoing the particle animations. So you set the grid that's visible in the editor. What do you mean? Because when I go to my grid, it's just this, and if I just change the size. There you go, you just put it in half. So instead of 0.25, which is 1/4, you go to like 1/8. Go to 1/8. There you go. I think that's what you mean, right? Back to 0.25. I think that's what you're looking for. Okay, I was working on my freaking effects. There we go. Okay, let's go back. Okay, I was actually doing this. Okay, sorry, I got a little lost for a second. So this doesn't shrink enough, and then I don't like how this collapses, so maybe this is just a hold frame, and then it goes a lot further down. So like, actually I should probably count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is not even. Okay, I'll just make it even. Ta-da! What does that look like? That's a little better. Then let's make this like real small. Is that even? Almost. Okay. You know what? This is a little flat. Ah! Forgot to change my brush back to 1. Actually, no. It's wiggling. Okay, let me just see what that looks like. Hold Alt when resizing. I might be doing it wrong. I don't see a difference though. Right, let me export. Okay, go back to Unity. Bloop. Okay. Actually, I don't need to go into play mode. What am I doing? Resizes all sides at once. Fancy. Let's see. That's so much better. Okay. Let me try it. So when I hit Alt, it goes to eyedropper tool. Why does it do that? It says I is my shortcut. So if I grab it and then hit Alt, it doesn't work. Is it Shift? No. Control. I'm curious now. Preferences maybe? Grab it and then Alt. So grab, Alt. Oh, it's Shift for me. It's a good shortcut though. Still a little uneven, but I had to fix them anyways. Okay, what am I doing now? Time to add the top layer, like with the glow. So I'll start by just erasing it, I think. Do 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 do. And I don't know if I'll be using all of these colors. But if I do, I'll start with red, I think. You can't. Thank you for saying that. I'll just keep the window open, just so, like that way I can. I just know that both are being shown at once. Thank you for telling me. And then when it becomes red, it gets darker. So yeah, I can just use this one color, or it gets brighter rather. Okay. What I'll do. So we'll go here. I'll go copy. I'll go here. I'll go paste. And I will click, hit shift, bloop, 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 bloop. And then I just need to make it a little bit bigger so it is even. That's not what I want. My red. It's a little annoying that I can't just eyedropper tool it. Well, that's fine. What am I making right now? So I am making effects animations. They're just going to be like little explosions. What they looked like in the last game, I tried using a shader. It just looked bad. So I'm doing them by hand. And that way the size won't be affected. So when I use a shader, I use this option called size over lifetime in the particle thing, which just makes it shrink, but it doesn't like make the pixel grid the same. So you'll have big pixels and small pixels if you use that option. So I just decided, you know what, screw it. I'll just do it the hard way, or the long way. So, and this, and you know what, maybe the size lingers. Wait, why is this bigger? Okay, well, which one is even? It's 3. This is 4. Yuck. Uneven. How dare you? Actually. How's it different though? Okay, this is okay, that's actually really easy to fix. It's just that. Okay. Go here. I copy. Go next. Go blob. Could add some more colors, but I want to see what this looks like first. So I'll go File, Export Sprite Sheet, Export, yes, and I'll go back to Unity. And look at Pixel Composer. Is that another software? I'll give it a Google. What is a Pixel Composer? Downloadable tool. Oh, it's similar to a shader graph. Oh, that's actually really cool. Oh, okay. Oh, that is awesome and fancy and cool. I will save this and I will come back to it. Yeah, that is so cool. Okay, let me yeah, so it's basically like a shader graph thing for the pixel art stuff. You do this? What is this? Whoa. So fancy. I like this a lot. I will definitely look into it. Go back to Unity. All right. I don't know how much I like this, but let's see. I kind of like how the inner, like the inner ring, the brighter part lasts a little longer, like the size. Let me put on my cheat. Not bad. By moving the hands and legs and stuff. Like I know like the bone physics and stuff, but I don't know how that works with pixel art. I feel like it would bend it, no? Oh, so probably like re-renders it. That's interesting. I don't think it would work for Bird because he has some like some weird animations. I feel like the fire part needs to be a little darker. These are like the same. I made it orange. Yeah, I probably wouldn't use that. I wouldn't need that for the bird. It would be more of a you're starting a game type of thing. I think I've gone too far in a certain direction to where like the bone animation wouldn't work too well. Oh, I think that's better. I think I could do with adding more texture to it. Maybe one more ring. Yeah, I'm really glad you showed that to me. That could help a lot with future games, for sure. Maybe just like that. I feel like it needs a darker outer ring on this layer. Oh, I like how we had the player here this whole time, but haven't been using it like at all. Okay, so this is dark red, no? Oh, it's not dark red. Okay. Well then, you know what I'll do is I'll do Shift O. Do that. Oh, copy it, Control X, Control Z, Control V, Control V. Oh, put it on the outside for this one. Okay. Let's see. Control Z, Control V. You know what? It's fine. Actually, wait. Just 75%. think if I did like this, like even less. I don't know. I don't know if I like that. I think I'll go back to 75. Just testing. Watch this short. Is it in the Discord, question mark? I don't see a link. So why did I choose Unity? A couple reasons. One, it seemed like content on YouTube seemed to be very Unity focused. So I thought when it comes to like learning and like making content, there would be more stuff. That was the main reason I chose Unity. But also I didn't see any reason not to. Like the very recent like pricing controversy thing happened after I already kind of learned Unity. It wasn't enough to get me to switch, because in order for it to take effect, you need to like make $1 million on your game, or maybe it was 100,000. I don't really remember, but like either way, like at that point, I would have considered it a success. So I didn't really have a reason to switch after that. That's why I'm at Unity. Okay, I'll watch this short in general. I don't think the audio will come through. I'm watching the video right now. That's why I paused music. Sorry, give me a second. That's very cool. That's another really cool software. So it's called Smack Studio. I'm very interested. I'll write that one down too. Have you tried it? You say it works really well? Because like, if it does like really intuitively do it, I would totally like, well, not for per game, but I will definitely use that. Or is there like a kind of like a learning curve to it where like maybe the video they showed wasn't as easy as it actually is? Because that looks actually insane. You can only do it for their characters. That would throw a wrench into things. Okay. Did I export this again? I forgot. Yeah, they did mention that they have like a fighting game on that, which a fighting game is on my list of games that I'm going to make. So yeah, I am interested for sure. I think there are too many particles here. Maybe just like 4. Haven't tried it. I'll definitely look into it. So I'll try it out. I feel like it would be more. I feel like I would have heard about it, or it would be more common if it was that easy. So I feel like there's a catch, you know? I feel like I'm missing something. You know what, let me see what this looks like without the additive thing. Can I make it a little brighter though? With this. No, wrong layer. Oh, the sun's dark. Oh, I guess it didn't matter because it was in the back. Pop. Need to go? Yeah, that's fair. Thank you for stopping by, Tixmere. I'll try to make more time for streams that accommodate different time zones more. I'll see you next time. Put on my cheats again. Dang it. It looks bad. I don't know why I can't get the colors right here. I don't want to add any more to my palette. I think I might have to. Good night. It's 3 here. AM? Bro. Yeah. I think I'm gonna try doing a stream this week at 1 o'clock. Hopefully that might be a little better. It's just hard to work my schedule around different times. But I do appreciate you showing up even though it is that late. That's insane. Wouldn't catch me at 3 AM unless it's like a Smash tournament. Oh, yeah, if it's a productive 3 AM, then that's fine. You know what? I like the additive better. Whoa, what did I do? There you go. I want to make this a little bigger. You know what it's time to do? Shift O. Ha ha ha. A little better. I'm giving the human character a gun. I said that reminds me of forgot his name, the Jetpack Joyride character in like that his first game. This one. This one's bad. This one needs a Shift O treatment. I think that's a little better. I don't know if I like this or not. I might just have to leave this in the first draft phase for a while until I get like the colors that I want. It also goes a little too far into the ground, so I think I need to change like where it spawns. And once I get this first one done, it'll be a lot easier to do the rest of it. Ooh, what the heck? There we go. So, can I move this up? Or do I have to just move the whole thing? It's probably easier. Do that. That's better. A little too high, though. Let's do this. Oh, I forgot to get rid of the A sprite windows. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Alright. Oh, that is so much better. Okay. I think I still need to work on the colors and stuff, but I don't mind how this looks. Okay, let's work on that charged animation for a second. That should be super easy. Okay, let's renderer. What did I do? Default? Sprite default. Size over lifetime is off. Okay. Texture sheet animation. Okay. Let me make a new sprite file. I'll make it like 8x8. This one's not gonna be that big. Actually, I'll make it a little bigger. Okay. Not really what I wanted. I guess the shape is fine though. I don't want him to be glowing a little bit. Is this even centered though? Doesn't give me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it needs to be even for it to be centered. There. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So it'll stay like that, and then it'll get a little smaller. Grab shift. Here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I just make the same one? No, I didn't. Okay. I don't want it like this, though. Very small. Or probably both, actually. This is too fast. That's because I forgot to add another frame before copy and pasting. Alt N. How do you access a sprite renderer of a child object? I mean, having like a dragon reference will pretty much always work. I've only ever used it to get like a parent object. I should probably Google it. Check. I mean, you could just have like a reference to the object itself that you can drag. Or get components in children. Yeah, so you could do like GameObject.get component in children. Seems to work. Let me open the window. Yeah, so you just make a reference to it, get component in children, and then the name of like this would be like sprite renderer. That'll probably work. Okay, that's this one. Let me go to be right back just because I don't want to leak my files. I don't know what's in there. Charge. Did I export this? Or did I just save it? I saved it. I'm stupid. That's not what I meant to do. Now I gotta go all the way in there, and I gotta get rid of the asprite file because it's not supposed to be in the Unity folder. Assets, art, animations, player, particles. Let me bring that back out. I'll paste it right there. But then when I export it, I will put it in... Oh, I gotta export as sprite sheet. Stupid. Sprite sheet. Got PNG. Right there. Save. Okay. I think we're okay to come back now. Oh yeah. Go to Unity. This gotta refresh. It's not here. Did I export it? Did that work? It did. Export setting. No, that's not what I wanted. What I do? Undo. Multiple. Wait, no filter. None. What did I do? Click the button I wasn't supposed to. I'll just re-import it. Whatever. Multiple. 32. Wait, no filter. Quality, none. Oh, I just didn't go to the sprite render. That would make sense. Was this 16 by 16? Yeah. Right. Channeling particles. Extra sheet animation with sprites. There are 6. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I think I need opacity on these. Already not bad. Might be a little big though. Let me see what they look like in the actual game. I also might need to adjust the size. I don't know if I picked the perfect. Zoom. Yeah, those pixels are not the right size. Do I still have size over lifetime on? How to turn that off? I did turn that off. Not pixel the right size. It's not. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, those might be too big. Yeah, they're definitely too big. Okay. Noted. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that was weird. Okay. What was I doing? Making these smaller. Okay. This should be... get rid of these. Hey, robot monster. We are making particles right now. So far we did the attack one, grounded flame one, and I'm doing the charge one right now. Like, I don't really know how I'm going to do the colors on this one. But the charge one, these particles are just too big, so I'm adjusting the size right now. Too big. It's still too big. I guess we just do these two. Or I start square, then I go here, and then I go here. What got me into game dev? I really liked playing games, and I'm like, I want to make one of those. So I picked up Scratch, and you know, I made a couple games. They weren't good, but like at some point I just stopped doing it. But I rediscovered it during the pandemic. I'm like, you know what? I got this sometime. I'm gonna learn Unity, and I did. Do that. Save. Go back. Now we have 5. As it slip. I don't like the square. Getting rid of that. Will you play GD on stream? What's GD? I feel like there could be a lot of games with that acronym. So the problem is this is even. What if I make it odd? And then I will... This will be in a 15 by 15. Then I can just do plus sign. What does fat plus sign look like? Oh, like a star. This is better. Oh, Geometry Dash. I don't own Geometry Dash, unfortunately. I did see you posted some levels, though. Maybe I'll have to try it. On the gaming stream, I'll play your prototype, absolutely. Just, I think the Discord's the best place to do that. You just link it in the Discord. Is it already in self-promo? I haven't really been checking that. Yeah, just drop it in the self-promo part of the Discord, and I'll do that first, or I'll wait for you to show up, but yeah, I'll play your prototype for sure. And then maybe we do one. Where's just a little dot? Save. Yeah, no problem. I'll play anything you guys make. I'm also realizing that this screen is a little bit cut off just because of how my Unity is sized in OBS. Oh wow, this is terrible actually. Why did I do it like this? Maybe I'll fix that for next time. Okay, what was I doing? I was doing particles. I'm getting rid of the first frame. It's just too fat. Do that. Save. Export. Back to Unity. Get rid of the other frame. Why is it only 2? Go back to the sprite editor. And slice it again. $15. Is that correct? I think so. Anyways, let's see. Go back to particles. Should be 3 animation change. It's not bad. See what it looks like with some opacity. Be like 80 maybe. 80. Maybe we do like an additive layer. And we do like. Have a glow in the middle. Maybe this little plus. Save, export. I don't hate that. They're moving a little fast though. Velocity over lifetime. What is this? Maybe it's the start speed. Maybe 10, maybe make it 8. Maybe I'll make it 5. Maybe I'll make it 6. Maybe I'll make it 7. There we go. Hi, Aki. Yeah, very sparkly. They are definitely more stars. They were like orbs before, but if I'm doing like the pixel perfect, it just looks weird. So I like this better. Let's see what it looks like in game. Let me turn my cheats on. Yeah, this is good. Again, that like middle glowing color might end up changing, but I like it. Oh, I forgot to add the other parts of this. Dang it. Back one flint. Nope. Yes, I'm gonna need to add smoke. Why does the smoke follow the player? Why is this rendered? Be rendered in a world space. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to make some smoke for that. What does this one do? I don't know. Okay, let's do the smoke one next. And I think after we finish the attack 1 flame particles, I'll go to PokeRogue. So there's some stuff I want to do there. The pause is strange. So the only reason it does that is because that it like signifies that you're taking damage. And I think it'll be better with the sound. But I can definitely remove it if it's a little weird. It's definitely too long, actually, now that I see it. This one, perch. Which one is it? Or is this the one that I did myself? Go player combat. Stun time, point. Maybe 0.2. Yeah, I think the 0.2 is a little better. But I do want it to be clear that you are taking damage. Maybe the sound can help with that more than the little stutter. I do think you're right, it was too long though. I don't like the colors of the additive thing. At least on the explosion ones. Maybe I need more texture there, add more colors. I like the stars though. Like the charging animation, I think that looks good. Yeah, I think that's definitely something to test, but it is easy enough to change that I'm not too worried about it. I can even just remove it by setting this to 0. But yeah, like these colors. I don't know, I just don't like the way that this looks. Maybe it needs to happen faster. Maybe we should take out a frame. Might be better. Let me see how it feels. I don't know, I think I still need more colors. Or at least like this red needs to be less. I think it's this color. Yeah, I think that's, like, it's just this red, I think, that's bothering me. I'll make it a little bigger than that. You know what? I think that's actually a lot better. I just need to do the smoke thing. The smoke, I don't know why it's... because I changed it in play mode. Simulation space should be world. Let's go back to default. Spelled it wrong. Uh-oh. Texture sheet animation. Sprites. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the be right back screen while I create a new file. I'll make it 32 by 32. I don't think I'll need that much space, but I might. Save it. This will be smoke particles. And then export the sprite sheet into the Unity project so I can test it in real time. Animations, player, particles, pack 1, yeah. Smoke particles. I forgot my underscore. Oopsie. Underscore P. Smoke particles. Save. Okay, I can go back to Unity. Unity. Okay. These will be smoke particles. They're going to be black. Let me just cheat real quick. Put it 20 maybe. There we go. Cheating successful. And make this real small. Can I have an even version of this, please? It's close enough. Maybe one in between there, I think. We get rid of 2. Three, 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay. Decent start. I don't know if we need this last frame, though. Forgot to... I don't know, I think I kind of need that last frame. There. Okay, very simple. I will just export this so we can see what it looks like. I'll probably add some opacity first, actually. Make it 90. Actually, what I'll do is I'll change the color. That's not bad. Okay, what I'll do is I'll shift O. I think the bigger ones need a little bit more. I don't know why I can't just draw on top of it. A little annoying. So I will do... Can I do another instead? How do I extend? It's a little bit. What if I make this like 90? Actually not bad. I think I do need a little bit more opacity here. Bloop. Okay. This one needs a little bit more. I don't know why it makes me erase it first, which is kind of annoying. But I don't know the shortcut, and this is faster than looking it up. How would I do? Actually, I'll do just like this. This will be implemented very similar to how the flash worked. And then together they will make boom. At least I think so. Kind of like a little bit darker. Okay. I will export. Go back to Unity. Alright, how many sprites do I have? I should probably make sure they're imported correctly first. Sprite multiple, bilinear point, no filter, none. And then cell size is 32. Correct. I could actually do this with half the sprites because there are repeats, but I didn't. What if I just do this? That did not work. Okay. Gotta place them individually. 5. Okay. I'll continue to export until I like how it looks. I don't know why it's so dark. Do I have any color thing going on? There's also too many of them. Count 4? What's the shape looking like? Circle. 5. I think the size is wrong. No, the size is right. There's something wrong with the first 4. Maybe it's too big. I think it's too big. Yeah, let me get rid of these frames. Not in between here. Actually, let me start with this. How big is too big? The heck, those sprites shouldn't exist anymore. Why are they there? Is it just too big? Oh. It's a little better, but it's just too many pixels. So Shift O, outline color. Why doesn't it give me my index? Okay, there we go. Right, now I can get rid of these extra sprites and play. That's better size. Should be more of them though. Go back to 6. Alright, let's see what it looks like in game. Not bad. That's not bad. I think my main issue is with the fire part. Yeah, the fire part looks weird. Other than that, I like the structure of these animations. I just don't like those colors. Okay. I'm happy with that for now. Let's see. Got these done. Is this still there? They are. I think it might be fine though. I didn't even notice them. Yeah, I think they're subtle enough to where I don't need to pixelate them. Okay, not bad. Alright, I think that is going to be it for Bird Game for now. I am going to swap on over to a game called PokeRogue. Okay. Nope, that's not the one I wanted. 1 second. This... Not the right one. But I can... Sorry, 1 second. Okay. There we go. Why is my sound not on? Oh no, just a second. Okay. So we have been doing some Bird Game for a little bit. I'm going to take a break and do some PokeRogue. Because this game is awesome. I've been playing it a little bit, but one of the main parts of the game I haven't really engaged with, which is the egg gacha. I beat the game twice. The only times I abused the save system was when I wanted to catch a legendary. I tried not to do that much. Let's see. Egg gacha. I have a lot of coupons for some egg Pokemon. Hi Anki, we swapped over. We're playing video game now. I played a lot off stream, and I beat the game twice, and now I have all these egg vouchers. So I'm just gonna use them all and see what we get. I'm gonna do the shiny up one because I want shinies. Let's do gambling. I got an epic one. Okay. I'm just gonna spam this because they're not gonna hatch yet. I have to actually play the game for them to hatch. Actually, I'll just spam it. We can check which ones we get later. These will all be shiny up ones. Groudon, I could go for... Just took a break, wasted 15 minutes on fixing something, and it was already broken. That is so relatable. Stuff just breaks all the time for no reason. So I just used 5, 15... Wait, how many did I do? I did like... Alright, I have 75 eggs right now. I guess I don't need to do all of them at once. So I'll just make a new game. I haven't tried endless mode yet, but I beat classic twice. So I think... and because I want to get more like level passes so I can get my eggs hatching. So I'll just do an endless run. We get to make a team. Like, my best Mon that I got, or the one that carried me to my first win, was actually this Indeedee. I got like my first round of eggs and this thing came up. Its IVs are great. And it also has Matcha Gotcha, which is one of the new moves. It's a spread 80 base power grass type move that heals you like a Giga Drain would and has a chance to burn. And that move is just so freaking OP that this carried me. I also got Hoopa along the way, which Hoopa is no slouch. No fancy egg moves on him, though. And he has a minus special attack nature, which didn't help very much. But yeah, that's how I won my first run, so I want to use different Pokemon. But while in my runs, I obtained... where is he? Magnemite. And he also doesn't have anything super crazy going on, but he has some good stats, and I think early game he's going to be very good, because he has a Steel type, and a lot of, like, the early Pokemon have, like, Tackle, and they're, like, flying types. So I will be taking Magnemite in my endless run. I also got this really good Starly, but it has 0 speed. It's adamant with max attack, but I can't really use it yet because it has no speed. So I need to catch another Starly with some speed. Okay. What else do I need? Maybe a water type? Then Chelos. Chelos is awesome. And then with actually, let me... I gotta make sure I got the right abilities and stuff. So Chelos... Nature. No, I don't want plus attack. I don't want minus defense. Minus speed. I can live with minus speed. And ability, we need Storm Drain, 100%. Let's go back to Magnemite. Magnet Pull doesn't work. So sturdy. In nature. I think it has to be bold. That's a great nature too. So I have 9 slots left? Okay. I guess endless mode you get more. So I don't even know what else I want to do. Maybe a fire type? I don't know if I have any good fire types. No, I don't think I do. Is Phalanx any good? This one has heal order. Not great IVs. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, I could bring Gimme Ghoul. Up speed. Or the IVs. Yeah, I'll take Gimme Ghoul. And I have a 4 left. Okay. It's a good 4. But Flamingo any good? U-turn, double kick. I could bring Flamingo. I'll bring the Flamingo. Whatever. I just want to get started. I want to get these eggs hatching. Wormbolt. I think this... Oh, what? I can't... Definitely goes to Flamingo. Back. There we go. And my goal is just to get enough levels so I can hatch my eggs. Then maybe I'll go back to bird game. Say hello. That's a little bit scary for him because he's fighting type, so I'll just go Magnemite. It's super effective. I really want to get a Starly. He's gonna be a Starly with some speed. A lot of these flying types I don't need because I already have Flamigo. So I'll just try to get some XP. Oh, Rogue Balls off the bat. I'll take them. Meryl's pretty good. Start spamming some Pokeballs. It's low level, so I should catch it. And I did. Again, I guess I do have Shell Loss, but maybe I'll get a Fairy type move soon. Nugget, take. Goldeen, I don't need Goldeen. Murder time. Ultra Balls. I want these eggs to hatch. Bye bye, Psyduck. Oh, he's faster than me. But he's dead, so it doesn't matter. Nugget. Wishy-washy. I don't have that guy. I will catch him. And I didn't even need to damage it. I'll take that. It's modest, which is pretty good for water type. It just has no IVs. Oh, I got my Manaphy egg. I forgot to say I have a Manaphy egg. Oh, it's Fiona. That's not what I wanted. I wanted Manaphy. What the heck? Okay, that's fine. I guess I could just Super Potion my Magnemite. Little overkill, but I'll take it. Machop. This seems like a job for... Does he have a move? Restored power. Okay, give me Ghoul. I don't think he can hit me. So I guess might as well throw a ball. Uh-oh. Yeah, Bird Game really evolved. Look at him. He's so good. Yeah, I'm taking a break to do some PokeRogue, which I'm surprised how good it is for just like a... It's not really a ROM hack, but it uses Pokemon assets, not an official game. Fan-made game, I guess. So I've been saving up my eggs. I'll check on them, actually. I don't know how many floors I need to do, but I just went into the gacha and got a bunch of eggs. What's the purple one? And I got a legendary one with shiny rate up. Okay. I wonder where's it gonna be. Hopefully we got some cool stuff. Because like the few eggs that I did hatch, I got some really good moves. Like I got a Matcha Gacha Indeedee, which carried me to my first win. That got me a lot of IVs. Yeah, I'll take this Machop. Wishy-washy? Yeah, I have Shell Loss. And Meryl. Citrus Berry, Great Ball. I'll dig Great Ball. Magnemite, I have one of those. Go Flamigo. Bird Game, you better be faster, Flamigo. Okay, he is. What? Sturdy is not supposed to work with double kick. I got scammed. Okay, I guess that happens in this game sometimes too. I'll just catch it to get more IVs. I don't. And I get a bad nature for it too. Yeah, whatever, you can go. Salad Berry, Play Rough. Who can learn Play Rough? Oh, that's a fairy type move from Meryl. I'll take it. Why not? Follow me. I don't really have anything great for this, but I do have some mons that contain some hits. Oh, it's Fluffy? Oh, it's the passive. Okay. See if I can catch it. Great Ball. I wonder if I get access to the passive if I catch it. Up special attack. I think this is it evolves to a fighting type, so I don't know if that's good. What do I want to get rid of? You know, I don't actually need this. I already have an electric and a fighting type. Oh, we got some eggs hatching. There should be a lot of them. Or I had some extra left over. Why not? With some pretty good IVs. And recover. Recover's not bad on Wobbuffet. Petalil. Got just a little bit more. Timid is a great nature though. Aqua Step. Aqua Step Lilligant? Litwick. Okay, I didn't get any. Minus special attack's kind of bad. Fiery Dance. I don't remember what that move is. Vanillite. Ability Weak Armor. Why is that yellow? Is it because it doesn't work? Decorate's a good move though. It only works in doubles, but could be useful. Picky Peck. Okay. Almost a perfect one. Minus attack, I don't think is good. But it gets Bone Rush. Bone Rush with Skill Link? Picky Peck, you're crazy. Maybe I have another good nature. Turtwig! Got a lot of IVs. I don't like the minus defense nature. Ice Spinner. An interesting move. Bird. Piggyback is bird. Wormhole, I'm not too excited about. What is Malignant Chain? I don't know what that move does. Togepi! I like Togepi. Alright, no special attack though. Serene Grace. Oh, it doesn't work though. Roost. I think it usually gets Roost. Sunkern, I could care less about Sunkern. Sappy Seed. Again, that might be a new move. Ducklet. Oh, Modest. He's got some decent IVs. Freeze Dry. That's good. It's probably usable. Abra. I get a lot of IVs. None in speed, though, which is like, the most important. It gets Thunderbolt. It's good to start with, because it only learns Teleport at the beginning. And I get a Charmander. Charmander. Minus defense is not good. Earth-powered Charizard? That's cool. Another bird. There are very many bird Pokemon. Scooby. I want to get a Starly with some speed, though. Parting Shot. I could do without it. Inkay. With Suction Cups. And Stored Power. It's not great. Unless it gets Contrary. I don't know if it gets Contrary, though. Contrary with Stored Power and Superpower? That would be crazy. Okay, let's see what we get. Spikes. Yeah, that's not great. Mischievous. Some decent ones. Moonblast. Okay, it's not Flutter Mane, but discount Flutter Mane. Get the Diglett Dig. Minus speed nature is bad, but Swords Dance isn't terrible. Hello. No shiny yet, unfortunately, with the shiny up eggs. Rafita. Competitive. Not bad. Milk Drink. You know what? I don't want to know. Never mind. Binacle. Minus attack is probably bad. Triple Axle. Interesting. Nothing crazy yet. There are a couple usable mons, though. Swords Dance. Palossand's interesting. I got a lot of IVs from that. Don't like Adamant Nature, but I think I have another one. Parting Shot. Solid. Solid support move. Magic Guard. Cosmic Power. Not great. Anorith, some decent IVs. Liquidation. That's a good move. Maybe Anorith is usable. Another Wurmple. An Adamant Wurmple. Chikorita. Rock Slide Chikorita. I don't think that's good. I think it's a special attacker. Baneri. Adamant Baneri. With Thunderous Kick. Okay, Baneri is usable. Geodude. Big Rock Men. A really good nature with Shore Up. Oh, I think that's the healing one. That could be interesting. Delapert. He sucks. This is not Iron Bundle. I don't want this one. What the heck is Glaciate? Wait, is that Kyurem's move? Okay, wait a minute. Delapert might be usable. Strength Sap is okay. Cramorant. Okay. Timid? That could be okay. I don't... Scorching Sands. Yeah, so Timid? That's a usable Cramorant. Another bird. That's a funny looking bird, though. Dimple. I actually really like Dimple. Is that? I don't think that one's shiny. I think that it would be more red. Minus special attack is not great. Parabolic Charge. Starting with that's pretty good. I think it learns it regularly, though. Are you annoying? No, it's not annoying. I like birds too. I just want a Starly. Starly with some speed would be nice. Since when? Why give it Excel Rock? That's Lycanroc signature move. It's priority rock type move for Shroomish. Why? I don't get it. I mean, I'll take it, but I don't understand. I think it's a physical move, so it could be usable. Bramble Maze. Strength Sap, that's not great. That big. You could have given me at least some IVs. Volt Tackle's pretty good, though. Snom. Moonblast Snom. I got a lot of freaking eggs, what the heck. Now, I'm glad I didn't do them all at once. I don't know what Esper Wing is. Because we'd be here forever. They already kind of are. Jolly's pretty good. Mighty Cleave. That sounds like really strong. The Swinub. Hi, Bum. Solosis again. Nothing new. Binacle. Another Snom. Nothing new. Caterpie. Silk Trap. I don't know that move either. Oh, Psychic type Oricorio with decent IVs. With Quiver Dance. Oh, Dancer's not implemented though. That's another bird though. Another bird. Rowlet bird. And Jolly's a very good nature, and I get some IVs with it. And it gets Poltergeist? Okay. Strong physical ghost move. It's great to start with, for sure. I gotta use Rowlet next. Rowlet. Anything with Weedle? Rare Egg move, Barb Barrage. Never heard of that one. Yep, 8 birds. Many bird. Maybe we do an all-bird team. Launcher. With Shell Smash. I don't really like that much. Slowpoke. Dang, got me some IVs for sure. It's Parting Shot. Another Shroomish. Storm Throw. That sounds like a fighting type move. Which could be very good with Breloom. Flamethrower Bustle, okay. Burmy. At least it's Sandcloak. I don't think I had Sandcloak. Ditto. Okay, we got some stats on the Ditto. Minus Speed Nature is not great. And it can learn Me First, but it doesn't work. Me First is not implemented yet. Magikarp. Liquidation. Liquidation Magikarp? It's actually pretty good. Ditto can be a... Yeah, I guess Ditto could be a bird. You transfer it into bird. Oh, I finally got to the end of the eggs. Okay, so that's just the regular eggs. There are still, like, the rare and epic ones I gotta do. Let me check how much more I have. Damn, that was a lot of eggs. Maybe close to hatching. Doesn't seem close to hatching. This one should not be close. Yeah, okay. The next batch is gonna be the rares. Will I switch Pokemon? I have PokeRogue, so I think I'm good. It missed. Okay. Okay, I'm -2 defense. I'm not gonna risk it. Rock Throw. What the heck? You're supposed to only know fighting type moves. Here's a Great Ball. That's not what I wanted. Alright, gimme Ghoul. Sorry about that. I think I'll just murder him with Flamigo. Because you're definitely faster, right? Uh-oh. Okay, Guts. Guts with a decent nature. Probably better than the Machop. Take Bubble Beam. I'll revive Gimme Ghoul. Probably need some XP. Porygon. Interesting. I should probably catch this Porygon. I'll sacrifice my Amigo, because it's probably gonna use Psychic. Oh, never mind. It's dead. Amigo is too strong. Strong bird. Pick a Nugget. Magnemite. Probably faster again. And I don't really... Actually, Flamigo's kind of putting in work. Maybe I gotta keep Flamigo. Good. Hyper Potion. Do I need this? I could give it to her, I guess. Another Porygon. With Trace. I don't have one with Trace. I think Double Kick will kill it, but... Okay. I was a little hopeful it would survive, but... Amigo Protect. I'll take it. I'm not gonna use Copycat. Get a Lure. Not gonna switch. We'll just peck. He used Low Kick on a bird. That's not gonna work. Alright. Maybe a potion. Thunder Wave. That's good. I'll take some money though. Zigzagoon. You're gonna get kicked in the face by a bird. Bird build is worth it. Yeah, maybe I restart and just bring all the birds. I'll get to level 20 first. Then I'll just do a new game. Enigma Berry is interesting, but let's bring the Pokeballs. Ruby, I don't want to catch you. I want a Starly, please. A fast Starly, preferably. Potion. It's pretty good. Honey. I thought Whimsicott would actually be good in this game. I don't think it is, though. Like, I got a decent one, and the only, like, priority moves it gets, even with Prankster, is, like, you get Stun Spore and Poison Powder. It's not good, so maybe I get, like... Maybe it gets good egg moves, but I don't have them unlocked, so... Make it extra confusing. Well, I have in the title that it's pixel art and then bird game later. I guess I could get rid of the bird game thing. Will it let me change the... Let me see. Let me see if it'll let me change the thing. Okay, I don't have one made, unfortunately. Okay, whatever. I'd have to replace it with another thumbnail. I'll just wait. I'll do the super eggs, or the rare eggs, and then I'll go back to bird game, or I'll stop streaming. That way it's not too confusing. But I wanted to play some Pokemon with the eggs. So I thought it would be fun to open them on stream. I like this game. It's a good game. Migo carry. Alright, this will be the last level, and then I will restart with an only bird team. It's a Hoppip. Oh no, you don't stand a chance. Instantly one shot by Big Buff Flamingo. Okay. Let's do a bird one. New game, endless. Flamigo's gotta be our lead. And I think we go Rowlet. I remember getting the Rowlet. I forgot what its move was that I thought was good. Poltergeist, yeah. So bring Rowlet. What other birds? There was Oricorio. Don't think this one was that good though. Actually, it's not bad. If we can't find enough birds, we'll go back to Oricorio. You know, maybe we just bring the Starly even though it has 0 speed. Where are the birds? I got more birds somewhere. Is this Rookidee any good? Oh, no. That is a terrible Rookidee. We're not doing that. Does duck count? Maybe. Does Iron Jugulus count? Is that a bird? I don't know. It's a flying type. Let's see. Fletchling good? Super Cell Slam. I don't know what that move does, but you know what? He's on the team. Alright, we have 5 more. What about this Rowlet? Or Rufflet? It's Moonblast with minus special attack. That's not fantastic. So we'll move on. What about Sigilith? That has no IVs at all. And no thank you. What is this? Yeah, I'm taking a break and I'm playing PokeRogue. I was about to say Pokemon Rogue, but it's PokeRogue. I'm building a team of all birds. There's a blue thing in the middle of the page. Is it a ROM hack? So it's a browser game, actually. It's PokeRogue.net. And I think it classifies more as a fan game than a ROM hack, but it's very similar. A blue thing. Are you pointing out a bird? I don't see a bird here. Maybe why not? But that's not a bird. Flip turn? You know, it's a water type. Fire, water, grass. Alright, there are only 2 There's Hoot Hoot and Natu. Any other birds? We get Zubat. Skarmory Spike Setter. That's part. Skarmory's been 2, right? I don't think I have Skarmory. Yeah, I don't, unfortunately. I'll just bring Pidgey. This will be our bird team. Oh, it's okay. I'm just gonna start, even though I missed it, sorry. So, yeah, my goal for this, like, little thing is I wanted to hatch a bunch of eggs. I don't know how long these take to do, but I did get one legendary one, and these all have shiny plus. So I will go, I will a U-turn out. Does it not do damage? Oh, it just, yeah, it takes a second. Ooh, Poltergeist. It has 5 PP though? Are you kidding me? Okay. Just gotta keep that in mind. XP all right off the bat, that's incredible. Shroomish, we'll go back to Flamigo and we'll peg it. Okay. Rare candy. I'll get the nugget though. Money's good. Double kick. Got murdered. Another nugget. Purloin, I don't think Purloin's that great. It's also not a bird, so it can't be on the team. He's so screwed if I run into like an ice type gym leader or something. Or just a really strong ice type. Ooh, double battle. Amigo can stay, but I don't want both of them to be weak or blind, so I'll throw in Fleshling. I guess I could double kick too. He'll probably die. Right, so prevents the Pokemon from defense lowering effects. Okay, that's weird. What's Supercell Slam? Physical, 95% accurate. If the move misses, so it's, oh, it's high jump kick. Okay. High jump kick with 95% accuracy. Although it's unofficial, you wonder how long it can exist until Nintendo gets mad. It's unfortunately very popular, so I'm sure that Nintendo knows it exists. We just gotta hope that, that they don't. It is also, they aren't making money off of it. Which, I don't know, maybe they'll consider that. I'll throw a ball this. I won't actually use him, but you see the grayed out Pokeball here? It means he has like an ability that I don't have yet, so that'll unlock it for me at the beginning. Water Pulse for Amigo? Can learn Water Pulse? Okay. I guess that would be better on Wingull though, because Flamigo is a physical attacker. They wiped mods. Yeah, I think Nintendo needs to chill. I don't know. I just gotta hope it doesn't. They are very protective about their IP. Flamigo is rolling. Oh. Okay, rare eggs are hatching. Let's see what we get. Oh, okay. Is that Dracozolt? Yep. A lot of IVs. Minus special defenses. An okay nature. With Dragon Hammer. That sounds like a new move. I don't know that one. Probably Wood Hammer, but Dragon type. Hawlucha. With Mold Breaker. I don't know why this is yellow. Maybe it's like a rare ability or something. But 30 in attack, 25 in speed is great. With high horsepower. Interesting. Hawlucha, Gibble, Garchomp with great IVs. Modest nature, which is a little questionable. But it does get Dragon Dance. Growlithe. I like Growlithe. Not a great nature. Morning Sun. I think it usually gets that, so that's not a new move. Bird, giving me some IVs. I appreciate that. With Shore Up. I think that's the ground type healing move. So it's basically Recover. I don't know if that's good. I probably won't end up using it. Oh, this is the new guy. He also gets Shore Up. Does everyone get Shore Up? Oh, another Gibble. Minus speed. That's not really what I wanted. With Shore Up. Garchomp gets Shore Up too. And just two weeks ago, Nintendo went after Gary's mod and forced him to remove 20 years of community content. Damn. Anything to do with their IP? That sucks. Well, it might be promising if they were, like, making money off of that, because this game explicitly states, like, it's not for profit. Like, there was no money. I don't know how Gary's mod worked, but maybe if it was like Roblox where, like, you buy the skins, maybe they came after it because of that. But at least for now, I'll just enjoy the game and hope they don't do anything about it. Fire Lash Trapinch. Okay, Varoom. Adamant? I don't think Adamant's good. Most out of touch company, absolutely. Just look at what they did with the Pro Smash Bros. Oh, I didn't see that move, but it was something Torque. Munchlax! I like Munchlax. Minus attack, up defense. Good, not great. Curse. Not that good. Atrine. Anything interesting? Searing Shot. You highly doubt any of them made money. That's unfortunate. I can hope. I can hope they don't go after this game. Heracross. Heracross is great. Need more attack IPs though. I think it's Rock Blast. We get Zangoose. With extreme speed Zangoose. Okay, okay. That's something. Sandshrew. Okay. Spiky Shield. On Edge. I like On Edge. Minus special attack, up defense. It's okay. Tachyon Cutter. That sounds like a cool move. I have no idea what that does. Aerodactyl. I feel like this mod could have some really cool moves. Head Smash. Okay, I think it already got that. Meditate. Pure Power Meditate. With Bullet Punch. That's cool. Yeah, I know modding doesn't really make money because, like, it's not the IP. Or, like, you don't own the IP, which is unfortunate. I wish there was a way that big companies could, like, allow people who make stuff for their game make a living. I'm always on the side of more game. Okay, great ball. Let me see how many eggs I have left. I might go and get more. Yeah, I only have 4 left. And these are not close to hatching. So I'll get some more eggs. I'll go back to the shiny one. I haven't gotten any shinies yet. I think I hit odds. Okay, I got an epic. I'll just do 2 of these. Another epic. Okay, we have 2 epics. I won't switch. And then I think these take 10 levels to hatch. At least the common ones. So we'll do 1 or 2 more rounds of eggs. A lot of companies are cool with having mods have Patreons. I think that's healthy. I got a lot of birds that come in Air Slash. Nintendo is just... Nintendo's Nintendo. Not much we can do about it. Some games exclusively or explicitly prohibit monetizing their mods. Yeah. I don't know. I don't like that much. I think Wingle's probably the best because I don't think the other ones are special attackers. Except maybe Pidgey, but I think Wingle's more valuable than Pidgey just because of the typing. Having a water type's pretty good. Let's switch. Yeah, so I'll end stream after the next round of common eggs, I think. And then tomorrow I'll probably finish some of the... whatchamacallit? Some of the particle animations. Yeah, I'll finish some of the particle animations tonight off stream. And tomorrow I will start doing level design for Bird Game. XP all, let's go. Hello, Bunny. Get kicked in the face by a flamingo. Do you have a Discord? I do have a Discord. It should be in the not the top line of the description, but yeah. So that Discord is it's mainly for the game that I'm working on, Bird Game. It's a platformer. It's probably most similar to something like Hollow Knight. If you're interested in that, I do recommend joining the Discord. Still working on shooting the projectiles or shooting 90 degrees off where they should be. Damn. I don't know why that would happen. I am thinking. I can't envision it. Sorry. I can't be a belt. So are you instantiating them? The projectiles? Because maybe there's something wrong with the rotation. With how it's spawning. That could be somewhere to look, but I don't know if that's the issue. Yeah, off someone else's rotation. Yeah, they could be like taking the rotation of like the parent object or something. It depends on how you. So if they're instantiated, they're probably just, I don't know. Like, did you set up like the spawn point and the rotation when you're instantiating it? I haven't actually done a 2D like shooting game, because if you're going up and down and like he's angling it up and stuff, like it follows the mouse, I can see how you would run into problems there. If it's just like shooting straight ahead, instantiation should work perfectly. Grassy glide just, oh, that probably doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, like when you instantiate, I think you have to put like a quaternion identity after. So it that's like the rotation angle. And it's like it connects to the world instead of like where it's spawned locally, I think. I don't really know how that works, but I remember when I made the actually let me see if I can pull it up. If it works similar to the tornado for the bird, you might be just missing one line. Let me see. What was skip called? Flame projectile. Oh no, it would be spawned in combat, so let me... Okay, let me pull this up for a second. No, not the window. So this is how I do the bird's, what do you call it? The tornado. And it's the position, which I use an empty game object to set the position. I forgot what this is. But then, like, the rotation you have to put at the end. So this could be it. You could just need to add this and the instantiate. Oh, no, because, yeah, this is the position, the vector 2. It's the X and Y position of the empty game object. And then you just need to do the rotation at the end. If it looks like this and it's still being weird, then I don't really know how to help. Sorry. But that's how it works in Bird Game. Okay, what am I doing here? I don't know if I want to risk that, so I will just... What am I doing? Let me go double kick. Oh, you figured it out? Perfect. What was the problem? Ooh, a robe here. Mega bracelet. Do I have any mons that can mega evolve? Pidgeot. Mega Pidgeot. I'll take it. Just need to upgrade Pidgey. Oh, that what you showed is what you have? Okay. I don't know. So is it meant to just travel side to side? Oh, it might be, is your rigid body? If it's a rigid body, it might, you might need to add the constraints on the rotation. Because what mine is, mine doesn't have a rigid body at all. It's just a trigger, circle collider. So if it has a rigid body, that might be affecting it. The gun rotates. Oh, okay. So that I can't really help with. I haven't done that before. I've done it in 3D, but I used rigid bodies in 3D. Astonish. I guess I don't need Astonish. No rigid bodies in use. Okay. What else could it be? I don't know. Yeah, I'm curious to see, like, where that problem is happening. I mean, if it's rotated 90 degrees, is the sprite not, is the sprite tilted? I mean, that could also cause it. Or is it traveling in the wrong direction? It's probably traveling in the wrong direction. I don't know, this is why making games is hard. And then you just find out that it's just one line that you missed. And then you feel very stupid. Oh wait. Progress? I can change the tilt of the sprite. Oh, okay, so it was traveling in the right direction, but the sprite was tilted. Okay. Hey, I'm happy I was able to guess the correct answer for you. Damn, okay. Got lucky on that one. But yeah, there's a lot of that in game dev where it's like, this is such a dumb problem, why is this not working? That's why it takes me so long to friggin' make Bird Game. Well, I'm also playing Pokemon, but besides that. Oh, eggs, okay. Let's see what we get. Grimer, we just fought a Grimer. Adamant's good. Curse, not great. It's shooting towards the mouse, but the gun is not in that direction. Okay. Yeah, so you could probably rotate the sprite. If it's like consistently like 90 degrees off, I think it's probably just the direction of the sprite. That should probably work. Let me know if it works. If it doesn't, I'll keep brainstorming. Ooh, minus special attack, up defense. That's a great nature for Turtwig. Mighty Cleave. I gotta look up what that does. Oh, I should have brought Delibird. Dang it. Really good Delibird. Another Shroomish. This is the third Shroomish I've had, which now I have a lot of IVs for, except in defense. Modest isn't good. Trailblaze is good, though. That increases speed. Another Rowlet. Just a little bit more IVs and no move. Sandile. 0 speed. Okay. With Intimidate. Shellos! I like Shellos. Storm Drain. Freeze Dry. Freeze Dry on a Shellos. I like that. Flame Pearl. Minus stack up speed. That's a good nature. Earth Power. It's a really good move. Scatterbug. With Tailwind. Okay. I think I already got Tailwind, but I'll take it. Minus attack's not good. I get no move. Sad. Phantom. So with Spirit Shackle. That's Decidueye's move. Decent stab. Shadow Ball might be better though. Ice Hammer for Machop. Flamethrower Esper. It's not great, but it's funny. Toad School. With Parting Shot. I'm not gonna use that. Trubbish, the actual garbage Pokemon. With Gigaton Hammer. What the heck? Why did they give me Gigaton Hammer? Okay. Here's some Pokeballs. Coughing. Yeah, I don't really have much for poison types. Kind of a shame we keep running into him. I'm just glad Flamigo is... Oh no. Flamigo's poisoned. It's fixed? Awesome. I don't need Supersonic. Can I get a full heal, please? I would like to keep abusing Flamingo. Flamingo man. Full heal? No. Okay, Citrus Berry I'll take, though. Ooh, Tadbulb! I'll catch him. I like Tadbulb. But all of my birds... The shooting's glitchy. Okay. Yeah, I'm also curious what kind of game it is. Is it like a Enter the Gungeon type game? Okay, this guy got me nothing. Go away. Ooh, a Metroidvania. That's cool. Blossom Reap. An electric type against all my flying types. No. Go Rowlet. Do murder. No. I could just win. But I want to catch it. I'm getting greedy. And the greed pays off. Secret room's always something to find. I really like games like that. But like sometimes I don't, because I feel like I'm gonna miss out on stuff. And I don't like that feeling. So I like Hollow Knight because it gives you like the map, and you can see the places that you haven't been. There are some secret rooms and stuff that aren't on the map, but... Okay. Let me just get my rare eggs to hatch, and then I will go offline and get back to bird game stuff. I'm to murder the Magnemite. And again, I get... Stardew's not supposed to work like that. Okay, Citrus Berry, I can live with this. I can live with that, even though that's not how Stardew's supposed to work. That move hits twice. Thrifty. Interesting. You found out why? I'm actually curious. What? Why is it glitchy? Maybe it's something I can avoid. Fluffy. Okay, this is a little scary. Like, Machops scary, but I gotta make sure that thing doesn't explode. Hi, CSBs. I'm taking a break and playing Pokemon Roguelike. I did some of the animations today, though. For the particle effects. I'm doing them, instead of using the shader, I'm doing them by hand. Which some of the colors still look a little wonky, but that's fine. I'll fix those later. And Anki, when the sprite is flipping, the fire point isn't flipping. That's interesting. Is it... If it's a child object of the thing that's flipping, it should work. I don't know. That does seem a little wonky. Now both of my birds are paralyzed. Well, you better go now. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Tomorrow is going to be level design, though. I'm looking forward to that. Then it'll actually start looking like a game. Porygon dead. When are these eggs gonna hatch? Maybe around 30? You don't understand why the child doesn't flip either. Okay. Let me think for a second. I mean, maybe you just add another line that flips the child object. You just get a reference to it. And then just have it move left to right, you know, X amount. It's kind of a band-aid fix, but it'd probably work. Razor Leaf for Rowlet. Better than Leafage. 95% accurate is not great, but it's fine. It hits both the enemies. That's what you're doing? Yeah. I don't know. I feel like usually that should just work, but... Band-Aid solution for the win. Uh-oh, I just spammed away my wing attack. I was just hitting the space button. I accidentally got rid of the best move. Wing attack, we're a special attacker. Don't need that. Well, you know what? Oh, no, I'm not gonna cheat. I only do that for catching legendaries. %95 moves are 50-50. Yeah. Just about. Hydro Pump is 0%. We got another electric type, which I'm very scared of. Let's murder that first. Focus Blast is also a 0% accurate move. Okay, I'm starting to suspect that there are no trainers in Endless Mode. Because we're almost at floor 30 and we have not hit a trainer. I'm hoping I get another flying type move because I kinda wasted my wing attack. I do have other flying types though, so you know, I guess it's not that bad. Fleshling is evolving, okay. And charge for Ember, that's fair. Yeah, it was predetermined that you mix Rock Slide, and then, you know, it's against you, and it hits both and flinches both, and then you're very sad. Also upgrade to Dartrix. Which, I don't have the Ghost type yet, so Poltergeist isn't Stab. Still very good. Raichu, what are you doing here? Okay, Flamigo can stay, but I gotta go Dartrix, so I have at least one that's neutral to Electric. We'll double kick him, and you know what? No, not Shadow Sneak. I want you to do Razor Leaf. Uh-oh. Electric types. They are very good against my only bird team. So you know what? Let me Pidgey. I will quick attack. Now I'll switch to my not bird. Flipping isn't working. Is it not moving at all, or is it going to the wrong spot? Not birds. Yeah, there's one not bird. At least I caught it. It's cool. Hey, I gotta find another bird. Fire Blast. Reflection Dare? That's a physical attacker. What the heck? Also, Fire Blast will never hit. Let me heal Darcher. Cast Form is the boss. Okay, we can stay. It's Flame Charge, because that's 100% accurate. Sprite Renderer only flips the sprites, which the Fire Point doesn't have. And doesn't change the position of it. Okay, well, you could do rotation. Let me show you what I do for bird game. Player movement. Yep. Let me open Unity. Okay. So what I do is I just do rotate the Y. It just flips the whole object, not the sprite. So just do this line. Unless, let me see what you mean by sprite renderer. So you can flip the sprite that way? Or scale it on the x-axis by -1. Yeah, that's a solution as well. Is there this flip? Oh, I see. So you're doing it this way. Yeah, do it with the rotation. Because that way, like, the entire object will flip. If I do rotation Y here, this goes to 180. Then, like, all the hitboxes and stuff goes to the other side. Yeah, I recommend doing that instead. Okay. Legender died. What happened? Just got a burn off. Never mind. The fire point is an empty game object. Well, if you rotate the parent, like, the fire point is an empty game. So yeah, so look at where, like, this is the, I think this is the peck attack thing. And if you rotate the parent, which is like your player object, it will bring all of its children with it. Like, these attack points are empty game objects. How am I sounding out? I guess I go Dart Tricks. I guess I can try to catch this. I don't have one. And I got it, first try. Okay, let's go back to Flamigo so I can kick this thing in the face. Oh, that did not do as much damage as I thought it would. Uh-oh. Okay, you know what? It's 1 HP. Ball better catch. Uh-oh. Quiver Edge. Do I risk it? Of course I risk it. There we go. Never punished. Paint. I don't need paint. Protect is not that strong in this game just because double battles aren't that frequent. Bird is getting bigger. One of the best things about this game is you can play it with one hand. You can play it in class. It's great. Do I need synthesis? I don't think so. I don't think there's enough defense to make it worth it, and you can use potions outside of battle. Oh, epic egg. Let's see. Ooh. Boypole. That's Ultra Beast. Minus special attack nature I don't love, but let's see what move we get. Sludge Bomb. Okay, starting with Sludge Bomb with Boypole's pretty good. Let's see what else we get. I want to get a shiny. These are all Okay! Thank you! That is terrible IVs, but just as I say it, I get a shiny Virizion. Okay. Sappy Seed. I don't know what that does. I got a pink Virizion. It's working too well now. Oh no. What do you mean? Ooh. Ping Woo. Skint mid. Probably not good. Gets Curse. It's not a bird, it's useless. But it's a shiny legendary. What do you mean useless? I mean, you're right, obviously. I need Lugia or Ho-Oh. Or Zapdos. Not Wochen. Yeah, Wochen is so bad. Oh. Oh, the rare ones are going now. Execute. The shooting's back to the 90-degree problem. Okay. You're flipping the sprite. I think you probably need to track what direction the player is in and adjust the way the bullets come out, depending on what direction you're looking. Or wait, no, they follow the mouse anyways, right? If they're following the mouse, I don't know why that problem would come back. Anyways, execute with mystical power. I don't know what that move does. PokeRogue. Okay, giving me some IVs. With Victory Dance. I also don't know that one. Cursula. Moonblast. Okay. Was that all? I thought I had more. Oh, yeah. These don't seem close to hatching. Okay, I don't think these eggs are gonna hatch anytime soon. So I think this is a decent place to wrap up. Let me go back to the beginning and see. Let me just look at my shiny Virizion and see how it looks. I'll do it in a classic. Doesn't really matter. This is Gen 5? Yes. Very cool. I don't know what Sappy Seed does. I don't think I can check right now. But these IVs are so bad. Why couldn't they be at least, like, okay? I guess attack is high. But damn, no defense, no special defense, HP, or speed. That's rough. Okay, what else did I get? Wait. Oh, so the yellow abilities are a rare ability. Is it? I have like a ability capsule thing here. It's probably a hidden ability. There were some other mons I had that with. Let me see if I can find them. Donde? Oh, Holucia. Is Mold Breaker's hidden ability? I don't know. I got White Bowl. Actually, the Ultra Beasts are probably really good in this game because the stat changes persist. So you get your Beast boost multiple times. It's probably really good, actually. I just wish the nature wasn't minus special attack. The Ultra Beasts are probably really good. What else I got? Dragon Hammer. I don't know what that move does. It's got decent enough IVs. I can totally bring it. We got Tinglu. Remember this being bad, right? It gets Curse. Actually, it has decent IVs, but lower attack, which isn't great. Yeah, so in this game, there are different areas, and the stat changes will persist while you're fighting wild Pokemon, but every, like, 10 levels or so, you fight a trainer. And there's some sprinkled in randomly. And when there's a trainer, you recall your Pokemon and send them back out, and that resets all the field conditions. Let me get a team real quick, and I can kind of show you. This doesn't really matter. I can start with 10. I guess I'll bring this guy. Who else did I want to try? I know I won't lose super early with this guy. So I'll just bring them. We can just start with eggs, just showing you. Oh, don't override that one. Good Dracozolt. Dragon Hammer, 90 base power. 100% accurate. Damn. Does double damage when someone switches. That would be ability. It is Volt Absorb. Move. It's probably a move. If it is something, but it is double damage when someone switches. It might be Pursuit, but I don't know if Dracozolt gets Pursuit. But 15 PP on basically Dragon Rush with 100% accuracy is pretty darn good. Oh, he lived. That means he's mine. Just PokeRogue. Yeah, so right here, this is a trainer battle, so it recalls the Pokemon and it resets the field conditions. So this is where your Shell Smasher, whatever, would wear off. So that's how that game works. I think it's a really fun game. I think starting with Dracozolt is kind of OP though. Like when you start with the starters, it's so much more difficult, but I'm just spamming this freaking Dragon Slam move. I'm just speeding through. Okay. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to do today. I could keep playing. I'll probably get back to work on Bird Game, but I gotta take a little break, eat some food. I won't go live again today, but I will get more Bird Game work done. And then tomorrow, I think I said it as 4. Let me double check my schedule. Yeah, so tomorrow at 4 o'clock again, I'll be doing level design on Bird Game. So if that's something you want to see, you know, there will be notifications on the Discord. What time zone? Eastern Standard Time. So it'll start the same time this stream did, which was almost 3 hours ago. No, almost 4 hours ago. Yeah, so this stream has been 3 hours and 40 minutes long. So it'll start 3 hours ago, and we will be doing level design. I don't know if we'll get to the boss, but maybe we will, depending on the time. I'm not going to be playing PokeRogue tomorrow, so there will be more time to do Bird Game stuff. But that will be it for this stream. Thank you to everyone for stopping by. I do really like seeing people in chat, and I do like helping with what I can in you guys' games. Yeah, thank you for stopping by. Thanks, Aki. I'm sure Anki's still here. I'll see you later. And Adam, I think you just joined the Discord, right? So I'll probably see you again. Thank you all for joining. Goodbye.